Did you know that Jennings Builders Supply provides quality building materials and custom design? From cabinetry and countertops to flooring, custom wood, and more, we work to find design solutions that fit your lifestyle and budget. Whether you are building or renovating, we can help.
We started dealing with Jennings for cabinets probably 8 or 10 years ago. The designers at Jennings are very talented. They will work with a client who may not know at all what they want, and they help them to pinpoint their style, work within their price range. They draw up beautiful plans. It's just been a wonderful experience working with the designers at Jennings.
I had a great experience with the sales team. They were very knowledgeable, very helpful throughout the entire process. I definitely came in with my own agenda and my own things in mind, but working with their team, they really showed me some out-of-the-box creative things I wouldn't have thought of on my own.
Jennings has a complete design team that can take it from A to Z. So Jennings can start you at the framing lumber all the way through flooring, cabinetry, tops, siding, windows and doors, roofing. Pretty much you name it or you dream it and they can provide it.
Trust Jennings Builders Supply to design a beautiful space you'll love to come home to. Visit JenningsWNC.com to learn more.